Now, if you have ever been outside in freezing weather without socks, you know how fast your fingers turn numb. But penguins, on the other hand, have managed to thrive in a place where most humans would die within hours. Now, you might have learned about their feathers, which help lock in heat. They also have a thick layer of fat, providing additional insulation. But there's one place of a penguin's body that isn't covered by feathers, that is in constant contact with the freezing snow. And the penguins are literally putting their weight on it to survive: their feet. If you or I stood outside barefoot in the Antarctic snow, we would quickly start suffering from pain and eventual frostbite. It can get way below -40°C. But how on earth do penguins who literally walk barefoot on ice not get frostbite? Well, emperor penguins will rock back and forth onto their feet to get the absolute minimum area of flesh exposed to the cold ground, which helps them keep their feet warm. But it's something more than that. To prevent their feet from freezing, penguins have evolved to maintain a constant temperature by using a brilliant method, something called countercurrent heat exchange. A penguin's arteries and veins wrap around each other, so different temperatures of blood are flowing in opposite directions. Now, this allows heat to transfer from the warm blood to the cold blood flowing up from their feet. They can also control the rate of blood flow to their feet by varying the diameter of the blood vessels. This way, the penguins stay just warm enough to keep them from freezing and getting frostbite. Thanks for listening, and there is one more video of penguins which is an old one. You can find it right here.